have more breaking inputs on the broadcast platforms such as Swiggy, Zomato, Zepto, Blinkit, Amazon and Flipkart have announced an all-India strike today on the 25th and 31st of December 2025. This is an all-India strike that has been announced. The Indian Federation of App-Based Transport Workers and the Telangana Gig and Platform Workers Union called the strike to protest over deteriorating working conditions. Let me try and go across to Hina. Hina, what are their demands? What are they saying?
Well, they have a couple of demands, and if you are a regular user of e-commerce and food delivery apps like Zomato, Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon, Flipkart, etc., then you will get impacted, and many of us are already getting impacted. So the gig workers, in fact, who are associated with these platforms have announced all India strike. That's going to be there today, and the second day is going to be the New Year's Eve, which is 31st of this month. So they are going to be on strike on 2 days. Now, the reason, like you mentioned, Swati, is deteriorating work conditions. Let's tell our viewers about what they are really demanding. So first and the most important demand is that this 10-minute delivery system, that must be withdrawn, because it is something that is untenable. At times there can be traffic issues and couple of other things as well, and hence it is quite risky. So they want complete withdrawal of this 10-minute delivery structure. They are saying that as far as the pay structure is concerned, it should be transparent and there should be fair pay structure that should be followed. And what happens is a lot depends upon customer and the rating that is given to a delivery partner. And if the rating is poor for some reason, then the accounts of these gig workers get blocked as well. So they are saying that there should be an end to account blocking without following the due process. They are saying that they should be provided proper safety gear, there should be accident insurance as well, and there should be assured work allocation. These are a couple of the demands that they have raised. Apart from this, they have urged both centre and the state governments across India to bring some kind of regulation in the sector so that these do not suffer. Remember, they are the backbone clearly of these e-commerce platforms today.
And all of us, a lot of us in fact, especially in the urban sectors, rely on them for our groceries, our daily necessities. So their concern is on wages, safety, job security and social protection. Hina, thank you for getting